How to stop Roblox crashing. So if you want to stop the Roblox crashing, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your search and search for task manager and open up your task manager. Once you open your task manager, now here if you have any unwanted applications, so for example, if you have your CapCut or your heavy processing games or any other applications, then what you need to do is you just need to right click on that same other applications. You can simply right click on it and then you can end the task. Once you end the task, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just go back and you need to search for add or remove programs. Once you've searched here, it will take you to the installed apps, and now you need to uninstall the Roblox application. So you just need to search for Roblox, and once you have your Roblox, you just need to go for the right side which has that three dots icon, go for uninstall, and once you've uninstalled, you just need to again install it from your Microsoft Store or from your browser. And once you've installed, log into your account and your problem will be fixed. Once you uninstall, you can restart your device. Make sure to restart your device and then install and log in and your problem will be fixed. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.